Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Contact Us button. So as you can see, there's a customer service center, and there's another like a phone number which is for the club members, and there are further four email addresses provided where you can contact the team of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.